Good evening, students. Namo Namaha. Am I audible to you? Okay, so we have completed this lesson Manorajyasya in the last lecture, right? Quickly reply in the chat box. So, as we have discussed in the last lecture, the golden rule of Visheshan Vistarah or Visheshan Visheshya is adjective and noun should have Saman Linga Vibhakti Vachan in Sanskrit. Okay, so few examples were given here in the textbook like Nipunaha Balakah, निपुणेन बालकेन, निपुणाय बालकाय, निपुणात बालकात. From here we get to know that as vibhakti and linga is getting changed, also the word or that adjective is getting changed. Here in Strilinga, when we have changed linga from Pullinga to Strilinga, also the forms are different for Nipuna word. It is not Nipunaha Balika, it is this time Nipuna Balika because gender is changed. Okay, all the forms are of ekvachan only, but now we have to write down forms in all the vachanas and we have to complete this table. So quickly open your notebook and complete this table in your notebook, and then we have to discuss the answers. Very simple table related to Deva. This is a table of Deva actually with word Vaimanikaha. Vaimanikaha means pilot. Everybody please listen. The meaning of the word Vaimanikaha is pilot. And Kushala is the adjective. Kushala means expert, skilled. Okay, so the description for the pilot is he is very skilled or expert in his work. So Kushalaha Vaimanikaha. Now next in this line you can see Kushalau is given. But what about the second word? You have to write down that noun as per the adjective. In exam also you will find such questions where adjectives will be given and you have to write down noun, or sometimes noun will be given and you have to find out adjective from the para. Okay, from the paragraph given. So let's complete this activity quickly in your notebook. Open your notebook. After 2-3 minutes I will ask, fill in the blanks, and everybody have to answer it. Full table you have to write down in your notebook. No problem if it takes time, because as you are not doing your homework you have to do at least a classwork, because written practice is highly important in language. So Gatha, please don't be lazy. Draw 4 columns and please write down full table ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam and vibhakti. And if you are finding it difficult, you may ask me doubts. Raise your hand, I will unmute you. You have to observe the one word given and write down the next word as it is. यहाँ पे प्लीज कीप इन माइंड हमारे पास दो शब्द है कुशल एंड वैमानिक. दोनों भी शब्द को हमें अलग अलग एंडिंग्स ऐड करने हैं, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सफिक्सेस. वो कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे हम? तो वो सफिक्स क्या ऐड करना है वो आपको एक एक वर्ड में दिया हुआ है. जैसे कि अभी यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कुशलाभ्याम इज गिवन. सो नेक्स्ट वर्ड जो है वैमानिक, उसको भी हम क्या ऐड करेंगे? सफिक्स भ्याम. सो कुशलाभ्याम वैमानिकाभ्याम. अभी आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो वैमानिकेशु इज गिवन. The original word is Vaimanika and the suffix added is eshu, this matra and sh. Okay, so for the word kushala also we have to add same suffix. So it will become kushaleshu vaimanikeshu. यहाँ से हमें पता चलता है कि adjective and nouns are going same. They have same linga vibhakti and vachan, and also the suffixes endings are same. So quickly complete the table. Now anybody have doubt? Because इसके बाद हमें और भी difficult tables solve करने हैं. This is a very simple table, first table. Then we have to solve different complicated Visheshan Vishesha tables after this. I just said Gatha here that one word is given Kushalabhyam. Observe the ending. Kushala is the original word. Abhyam is the ending. So you have to add same ending for the next word Vaimanika. The full table will have only two words Kushala and Vaimanika with different suffixes. Okay. Start writing everybody. भी table complete हो जाए, can raise your hand. Hope you have completed at least till Tritiya Vibhakti. Here you can observe only two matras and visarga in Tritiya Vibhakti. So same suffix add to the word Kushala. Great, Gatha. Keep moving. Those who are finding it difficult, please ask me. For this, table of Deva is required. You should know the table of Deva, and if not, then observe the hint given here. Last 2 minutes, then we'll start the discussion of answers. Quickly complete. Yes, who have completed Ekavachanam column, this first column, quickly raise your hand. Who can read the answers for the first column Ekavachanam? Yes, Riddhi, start reading. Ekavachanam column only.
Hello.
Yes, Riddhi, Ekavachanam column answers.
Yeah. कुशलः वैमानिकः कुशलौ वैमानिकौ कुशलाः वैमानिकाः प्रथमा.
Okay, you have read horizontally. Okay, no problem. Yeah, read one more line for Dvitiya Vibhakti also, Riddhi.
Should I read it again? Ekvachan vertically.
Yeah, that's better.
Okay. कुशलः वैमानिकः कुशलं वैमानिकं कुशलेन वैमानिकेन कुशलाय वैमानिकाय कुशलाय वैमानिकाय कुशलात् वैमानिकात् कुशलस्य वैमानिकस्य कुशले वैमानिके कुशल वैमानिक.
Very good. All the answers are correct.
Thank you.
So everybody, as you can observe, Riddhi has used all the same suffixes given in the table itself. एक वर्ड में जो सफिक्स ऐड हुए हैं, लाइक वैमानिकम में म ऐड हुआ है, देन दिद्दी एडेड म टू द कुशल, एंड हर आंसर इज एब्सोल्युटली राइट, कुशलम वैमानिकम. एंड लाइकवाइज शी कंटिन्यूड विद द सेम थिंग in full column. So kushalena vaimanikena, kushalat vaimanikat, and so on. So as you can observe, the sounds are also same at the ending for both the words. Okay, adjective and noun. Kushala is adjective, vaimanika is noun. Then who is ready for the second column, Dvivachanam? Who will read all the forms of second column? This one. Yes, quickly raise your hand. Now you have got idea. Great. Yes, Gatha, read the second column.
Yes, teacher.
I'll start.
Yes, start. द्विवचनम.
कुशलौ वैमानिकौ कुशलाभ्यां वैमानिकाभ्यां कुशलाभ्यां वैमानिकाभ्यां कुशलाभ्यां वैमानिकाभ्यां कुशलयोः वैमानिकयोः कुशलयोः वैमानिकयोः कुशलौ वैमानिकौ.
Very good. All the forms are correct. Okay. Then next, third column. Bahuvachanam. Who has written all the forms for Bahuvachanam column? Yes, Vaibhav.
Yes, teacher.
Read the last column, Bahuvachanam.
कुशलकाः वैमानिकाः कुशलान् वैमानिकान् कुशलकै वैमानिकै कुशलिकेभ्यः वैमानिकेभ्यः कुशलकेभ्यः वैमानिकेभ्यः कुशलान् वैमानिकान् कुशलान् कुशके. Teacher, can you help me with that?
Yes, which one? Which vibhakti?
Saptami.
Saptami. Then it will be Kushaleshu Vaimanikeshu.
कुशलेकेषु वैमानिकेषु and कुशलाः वैमानिकाः.
Yeah. But in Saptami, don't add ka. Kushaleshu Vaimanikeshu.
कुशलकेषु वैमानिकेषु.
No, I'm saying that only. Not Kushalakeshu. Kushal ke baad don't add ka. Only add matra. So Kushaleshu.
कुशलेषु वैमानिकेषु.
Very good. Other forms are perfect.
Thank you,
Nice.
teacher.
Okay, so in this manner, you have to solve Visheshan Vishesha questions. And in exam also, always remember, if nouns are given, you have to find out Visheshanas from your paragraph. And if Visheshanas are given, you have to find out nouns from the paragraph. In that, the very smart thing you have to keep in mind that always Visheshan and Vishesha जो होते हैं, वो side में ही होते हैं. Okay, they are टुगेदर इन वन सेंटेंस इटसेल्फ. ऐसे कभी नहीं होता कि एक विशेषण जो है वो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में था एंड उसका नाउन जो है वो अचानक फोर्थ या फिफ्थ सेंटेंस में आ गया. इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल एट ऑल. ओके, संस्कृत इज अ same Sanskrit grammar is almost same like Marathi, Hindi and other Indian languages. So you will find adjectives beside noun itself. Okay, so be smart and find out like this. Also here you can observe that the endings are almost 70% time the endings and the sound of the words adjective and noun are same, and if they are different then they are irregular forms. And what are the irregular forms? Now let's move ahead. For that the practice of table is required. अभी एक छोटा सा टेबल हम लोग उसके लिए करते हैं. You have to now write down the word. Yeah, we will practice one more table. Chaturah balakah. Okay, Chaturah balakah. Again, a simple table like Deva. Let's practice it first. So open your notebook again. You have to write down full table of Chaturah balakah by referring this table. That means कैसे फॉर्म्स बनेंगे? चतुरः बालकः, चतुरौ बालकौ, चतुराः बालकाः. You have to use these endings only, but now this time I have changed the word. कुशल के जगह पे मैंने adjective add किया है चतुरः means intelligent and बालकः means student or boy. वैमानिक के जगह पे लिखना है बालकः. So full table आपका इसी तरह से दिखेगा. ओनली वर्ड्स को चेंज करना है. एंडिंग सिमिलर रहेंगी बच्चों. समझ में आ रहा है? एनी डाउट? एक्सरसाइज क्या करना है समझ में आ रहा है? यू हैव टू राइट डाउन फुल टेबल लाइक दिस, बट दिस टाइम टेबल का नाम क्या होगा? नाम ये होगा, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है चतुरः बालकः. सो ऑल द फॉर्म्स शुड हैव दीज वर्ड्स, टू वर्ड्स, चतुरः बालकः. चलो क्विकली कंप्लीट इट अगेन इन 5 minutes. Don't forget to draw these 4 lines, 4 columns and then start writing. Any doubt? You may ask me in the chat box or raise your hand. Chaturah balakah ke liye you have to refer the same table given above. And if you have already learned the table of Deva, then you can easily write down. Now others have to answer this time. Vidhi, Manthan, Zoya, Om, be ready with your answers, and Aryan. Hope you are getting what you are writing. In Prathama Vibhakti, you have written Chaturah balakah, Chaturau balakau. Here Chaturau balakau, Chaturaha balakaha. And so on. Just a hint for those who are still not writing the table. Yes, who is ready with the first column of Ekavachanam with Chaturah balakah? Raise your hand. Yes, Jay, would you like to read the first column?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Jay.
Can I start?
Yes, start reading the first column only. Yeah? Ekavachanam.
Ekvachanam. Chaturah balakah, Chaturam balakam, Chaturena balakena, Chaturaya balakaya, Chaturat balakat, Chaturasya balakasya, Chature balake, Chatur balak.
Very good. All the forms are correct. Nice. So students, as you can observe, Jayan ekdam perfectly using the table of Kushalah Vaimanikah, he wrote all the answers correctly for Chaturah balakah. And आपने observe किया रहेगा again उसने endings कैसे रखे हैं दोनों के भी similar because विशेषण and विशेष्य always take समान लिंग विभक्ति and वचन. ये please by heart कर लो. बहुत easy हो जाएगा फिर आपके लिए आंसर्स लिखना. And this question is there for 9th as well as 10th. And जब तक आप संस्कृत सीख रहे हो Visheshan Visheshyas will be there in every text. Okay, second column Dvivachanam. Who is ready with the answers of Dvivachanam? Oh, yes, Shreyas Sawant.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the second column Dvivachanam for Chaturah balakah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Chaturo balako,
Okay.
Chaturabhyam balakabhyam, Chaturabhyam balakabhyam, Chaturabhyam balakabhyam, Chaturayo ho, balakayo, Chaturayo ho, balakayo, Chaturo balako.
Very good, Shreyas. All the forms are correct. Just one pronunciation you have to improve. Kushalau hai, वैसे Chaturau. Au, not Chaturau.
Okay.
Okay, Chaturau balakau.
Okay, teacher.
Yeah, very good. Next, who is ready for the third column, Bahuvachanam? Chalo, now it is very simple. We have practiced many times. Last column, who will going to read? Yes, Vaibhav, start reading.
Chaturah balakah, Chaturan balakan, Chaturai balakai, Chaturebhya balakebhya, Chaturebhya balakebhya, Chaturan balakan, Chatureshu balakeshu, Chaturaha balakah.
Very good. All the forms are correct. Okay, so in this manner you have to practice Visheshan Vishesha. Now, अभी तक हमने दोनों भी टेबल लिखे. These are regular tables, very easy tables. Now, let's make it little bit complicated. Okay, Now you have to write down the table given for the practices. Dirgha Nadi. Dirgha Nadi. Now why I'm saying this is complicated? Dirgha means long and Nadi means river. Okay. Now this word Dirgha is also Strilinga and Nadi is also Strilinga. But what is a twist here? The twist is Dirgha is Akaranta. So you have to write down all the forms of Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Vibhakti as per the table of Mala. And for the second word Nadi, you have to write down the forms as per the table of Nadi. So you should know both the tables while writing this. Mala also and Nadi also. Okay. So now first of all I will tell you some forms of these. दीर्घा नदी है तो सबसे पहला फॉर्म हमारा वैसे ही आएगा दीर्घा नदी. Okay, this is my first form here in ekavachan. What will be my dvivachan form? दीर्घ माला का टेबल बोलना है. माला, माले, मालाहा, प्रथमा. My second form is male, so dirgha will become dirghe, like male. And what about nadi? I will now recite a table of nadi. Nadi, nadyau, nadyah, prathama. नदी का द्विवचन का फॉर्म क्या है? नद्यौ. So I have to write down here the spelling as nadyau. Okay, and the last spelling will be dirghe will become dirghaha like malaha and nadyau will become nadyah. So देखो मैं अभी recite कर रही हूँ just first horizontal line. दीर्घा नदी, दीर्घे नद्यौ and दीर्घाहा नद्यः. दीर्घाहा नद्यः. अभी दोनों के एंडिंग्स में हमें बहुत फर्क दिखाई देता है. साउंड्स आर डिफरेंट, सफिक्सेस आर डिफरेंट, बट स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे भी हमने जो गोल्डन रूल सीखा है वो फॉलो हो रहा है. बोथ द वर्ड्स हैव सेम लिंग विभक्ति वचन, ओनली उनके टेबल्स अलग अलग है. ओके, वी आर रेफरिंग अ टेबल ऑफ माला फॉर द वर्ड दीर्घा and referring a table of nadi for the word nadi given here, but both are strilinga and we are writing a same vibhakti for both of them. So hope you are now getting how to write down the table of dirgha nadi. So now quickly again open your notebook and write down the table of dirgha nadi. And don't worry, माला का टेबल होप यू नो द टेबल. इफ नदी का टेबल आपको पता नहीं है, मैं अभी स्क्रीन पे यहाँ पे नदी का टेबल आपको दिखा देती हूँ. ओके, एंड दोज हु आर फाइंडिंग इट डिफिकल्ट, आपके लिए एक एडवाइस है, पहले दीर्घा के सभी वर्ड्स माला जैसे लिख लो, साइड में जगह छोड़ो, एंड देन नदी वर्ड को उसके साइड में लिख देना, तो आपका टेबल कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. सो हियर आई एम शोइंग यू द फॉर्म्स ऑफ word nadi. Okay, here on page number 54 from 8th standard textbook you have the word nadi. Any difficulty now? You know what is the exercise? Everybody please type Y if you have understood the exercise, or if not type N quickly. Those who have not getting the exercise, kindly type N. I will explain it again. Wow, great. All the Y's are here in chat box. Then start writing fast. Here is a table for you, Nadi. नदी का टेबल आपको एज इट इज कॉपी करना है जैसे यहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे है, क्योंकि हमारा वर्ड नदी ही है. एंड दीर्घा का टेबल जो है वो माला जैसे लिखना है, उसमें भी डिफिकल्टी है. सो आफ्टर 2 minutes आई विल ऑल्सो शो द टेबल ऑफ दीर्घा ऑन द स्क्रीन, डोंट वरी. ओके, बट first please write down this table of nadi just by seeing and leave some space before word nadi for writing a word dirgha. Chalo, start writing. Okay, have you written a table of nadi? Do you want to see the table of mala once? It will be helpful for you to write down the forms of dirgha. in the same linga vachan vibhakti. Okay, let me show the word mala screen now. Yeah, so this is a table of mala on page number 36 in the 8th standard textbook. Now you can just check if you have written the forms of dirgha, just check it. And if not, then with the help of this table, you can write down the forms of dirgha like this: dirgha, dirghe, dirghaha, dirgham, dirghe, dirghaha, dirghaya, dirghabhyam, dirghabhihi, and so on. Hope you are getting it. Yes, last 2 minutes, quickly complete the forms of dirgha, then I have to discuss the table. Be ready with your answers. Raise your hand. Yes, Riddhi.
Hello.
Hello, Riddhi. Riddhi, am I audible to you?
Yes.
Okay, start reading the table. This time read the full table.
Okay. Vertically or horizontally?
Horizontally.
दीर्घा नदी दीर्घे नद्यो दीर्घाः नद्यः प्रथमा दीर्घां नदीं दीर्घे नद्यो दीर्घे नद्यो दीर्घाः नद्यः द्वितीया दीर्घया नद्या दीर्घाभ्यां नद्याभ्यां दीर्घाभिः नदीभिः तृतीया दीर्घयै नद्यै दीर्घाभ्यां नदी नदीभ्यां दीर्घाभ्यः नदीभ्यः चतुर्थी दीर्घायाः नद्याः दीर्घाभ्यां नदीभ्यां दीर्घाभ्यः नदीभ्यः पंचमी दीर्घायाः नद्याः दीर्घयोः नद्योः दीर्घानां नदीनां षष्ठी दीर्घायां नद्यां दीर्घयोः नद्योः दीर्घासु नदीषु सप्तमी दीर्घे नद्यौ दीर्घाः नद्यः संबोधनम्.
Very good, very good. All the forms are correct.
Thank you.
So hope everybody have listened it carefully for the forms. Dirgha especially because nadi ke form to सामने ही है. Dirgha ke form as per the mala. So these kinds of things will be happen in Visheshan Vishesha. Now we will do some more practice based on our portion for semester 2. Okay, so there is our first lesson for the semester 2, which is Manasa Swachhata. In this Manasa Swachhata, we have one question given in our exercise itself, Vishan Vishesha Sambandha. Okay, so now wisely tell me the pairs of these words. Just match Visheshan and Vishesha, adjective and noun. For this, quickly raise your hand if you know the answers. Let's apply the knowledge here. Wisely think. Both should have Saman Linga Vibhakti Vachan. Check it once and then answer. Everybody please take participation because this is only simple question. Match the column. Yes, Ayush. Yes, Riddhi, give all answers. All.
पादतलौ आद्रौ अभ्यासः उत्तमः. Ma'am, according
Yes.
to the ending, the answer to the third one is Satejah, but the answer here is Malinam.
Yes, very good. So answer is Malinam only because meaning dekho. Malinam means dirty mind.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, and this word manah is the original word manas. We have seen it. I told you manas, like payas.
Yeah.
Okay. And then for shariram, what will be the answer now?
Satejah.
Yeah, very good.
Thank you.
So everybody please remember here, manah is napunsakalinga word like payas. Payah, payasi, payansi. Likewise, manah, manasi, manansi. We have seen it while studying the new tables, and hence the answer is malinam. Shariram is also Napunsakalinga word, and Satyajaha is also Napunsakalinga word. Though it is looking like a Devaha, but the original word is Satyajas, which is Napunsakalinga. And students, यहाँ पे meaning को भी observe करना है. Satyaja means glowing. हमारा मन कैसे glowing हो सकता है? Mind can be dirty. Mind cannot be glowing. But the adjective glowing can be used for body only. Hence, the answer is Satyajaha Shariram. Okay. So in this manner, you have to practice more for Visheshan Vishesha. And as you can observe, every grammar topic requires lots of practice of the tables. So please keep practicing the tables. Next time we will solve more tables regarding Visheshan Vishesha. Thank you so much everyone and Punar Milamaha.